So, my Sunday afternoon in the workshop. It's a glass shelf out of the fridge. Months ago I bought a little handheld router from Aldi's. Never got round to using it. Quite happy that I bought it now. Routed the thickness of the glass. And then made up the door. I had to do it like this because you've got metal work. I had to cut through with an angle grinder. But now we'll be able to look at the combs and the bees without having to disturb them. Quite happy with that one. I'm going to do exactly the same on the one next door, and then just going to put a little sloping fillet of wood running along the edge of this so that rain doesn't run behind these doors. All in all though, £1.65 this fridge has cost to turn into 2 nuke stroke top bar conversions. Happy with this one.